Welcome everyone to the Tree of Life, an immersive digital installation at the Energy and Transition Hub at COP28. This installation has been commissioned by COP28 to help the community and every delegate and youth of COP28 to come down and make their pledge and their commitment to climate change. We're all here at COP28 to make a change for the world, and the idea with this installation is to invite people to come down and have an interaction using the power of artificial intelligence, community climate action, and to make their pledge to make a more balanced and harmonious world. You'll see that the central inspiration for the Tree of Life is the gaff tree, which is a symbolic and national emblem of the UAE, meaning peace and stability. So the idea is that for the participant, they would come down to the Tree of Life. They would be able to understand a series of information about climate action and what their small change can do to make a big difference in the world. So they interact with a transparent OLED screen. They go through a series of interactions that create this unique prompt that then goes in to create a beautiful AI-powered piece of artwork that they can take and share to social to confirm that their pledge that they have made to make a more balanced and harmonious world.